tutorial on how to edit a TikTok video after it's uploaded. Intro. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll explain what you can and can't do when it comes to editing a TikTok video after it's already uploaded. Step 1. Understand TikTok's limitation. Once you post a video on TikTok, you can't directly edit the video content itself, like trimming, adding effects, or changing the clips. But you can edit other details like captions, hashtags, and privacy settings. Step 2. Edit captions and hashtags, repost method. If you want to fix a caption or add hashtags, go to your posted video, tap the 3 dots, then choose Save Video. After that, re-upload the saved video, this time with the corrected caption or hashtags, and delete the old post if needed. Step 3. Edit privacy and settings. You can edit your video's privacy settings, comments, duets, stitches, and who can view the video. Just go to your posted video, tap the 3 dots, and select privacy settings. Outro. So remember, TikTok doesn't let you fully edit a video once it's uploaded, but you can update captions, hashtags, and privacy settings by re-uploading or adjusting options. If this helped, make sure to like and follow for more TikTok tips.